Is your team working remotely, or are you planning to organize and manage a remote team? Hi, I'm Carolina Bond. I have been managing remote teams since 2012, long before the pandemic, and in this video I'll share reasons why remote teams fail. I have been working in IT, and it's more like an industry standard for me to have a remote team, but I've heard a lot of stories how my friends, entrepreneurs, struggle with organizing the remote work of their teams. During the last couple of years, when the pandemic hit and a lot of businesses were forced to switch to remote work, so many people were complaining about the lack of motivation, not being able to work productively from home. So what are the main reasons and blockers from efficiency and productivity when working remotely? For the last 10 years, I have been running a lot of projects, a web design studio, marketing agency, an outsourced sales department business, as well as launching my own startups in tech, travel, edtech, and a lot of other. I have always seen this as a major advantage to actually manage a remote team rather than having them working and being present at an office. I've shared more about this and an overview of pros and cons on working remotely versus working in an office in this video. Please check it out. And during all this time as a business owner, I have been traveling all around the world, still being able to manage my team of designers, web developers, salespeople, customer relations specialists, and grow and expand my business. So the first mistake and the reason why remote teams fail is, as a business owner, treating them in a different way rather than your in-office team. And this might have been one of the challenging parts for people being forced to work from home during the pandemic. They felt missing out all the fun part of the work, like drinking a coffee with their colleague, having a chat about fun stuff about their weekends and all the other things. So people are not robots, and they still need all that stuff, all the communication, interaction with their team members outside of work, team building events, and a lot of other things. I have talked more how to organize this all in my other video, how to manage your remote team. Please check it out. But you can do absolutely the same things online with Zoom video calls, working chats, specific channels in your messenger set up for interaction of your team members. So as a result, and this is the second reason, is the team members are not aware of what the other team members are working on. So of course, this is also very important if they work in an office, but working remotely, it becomes crucial because they don't accidentally run into each other in an office, in the kitchen, or somewhere else. So sometimes they are truly not aware of what is going on in the company and what other team members are working on. So to overcome this and improve the situation, you can set up specific online calls, either weekly or monthly calls, where all the team members can share what they're working on. You can also use project management software like Basecamp or Asana, so everyone can see other team members' tasks and results and what has been completed and what are the goals for the week and for the month. And another reason and why motivation decreases is that people start to treat it as only work, like a part of their life that is not fun or entertaining at all. Even if they are passionate and love the things that they're working on, they miss the communication part and the community. So it's super important to set up outside of work-related calls some team building events. You can set up, for example, an educational quiz or a game, I don't know, even play poker or do whatever else is fun for your team. Do it online in a Zoom call or Google Hangouts. If it's possible for your business, you can also set up in-person meetings, for example, some team building events, so the team members all over the world can actually meet in one place and hang out for a week or so. For some reason, because of the restrictions or because of the financial issues, this is not possible. You can still do it online and have the team communicating about topics outside of work, so they feel that they're having a good time, they feel the community, and they get the motivation back. Please click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to learn more tips and tricks on managing your remote team.